Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. We're looking at a short story, and we've got to the fourth element of short story, theme. What is theme? Theme simply is the main idea or ideas behind the story. So it's the main ideas of a story. So we looked at Hansel and Gretel. What are some of the themes we think we have in Hansel and Gretel? Was that, yeah, four? For sure. We have bravery. The way the kids behave to escape the witch. What else? That's it. Love. Love between brother and sister. The way Hansel tries to take care of his sister, leaving breadcrumbs. The way his sister takes care of him by pushing the witch into the oven. What else? Bravery, love. Well, yep, we also have trust. It was their wicked stepmother who actually put them out into the woods. They couldn't trust her. Not to mention the witch, who had this great house made out of sweets and candies, and they couldn't trust her either. So trust, or lack of it, is a main theme. Often, when we write our story, we need to have an idea behind the story. What is the story going to be about? Is it about a brave person who conquers? Is it about love between characters, or love between characters who will help them escape? Trust or lack of trust that causes things to happen? These are main themes that are involved in a story. Remember that, because it's important when you're writing a short story. Thank you for choosing BetterGradesFast.com. See you soon.